One tip for narrowing your results in QuickSearch is to put quotes around phrases. For example, I can put quotes around gender gap and United States in my search. Think of the quotes as glue. Quotes tell the database to search for these words together in this exact order. One advantage QuickSearch has over Google is the ability to easily limit your results by type of resource, peer review, date, language, and other factors. You can limit by 1, 2, or a variety of things. You can change the date to find more recent articles. If you're interested only in scholarly journals, then check the box labeled peer review to update your results. Now you can see that all of your results will have the peer-reviewed journal icon with them. If you need any help with any of the strategies in this video, please use our Ask a Librarian service.